kickoff for the Azerbaijan GP. And for this week, I've decided to make some Kurabiye cookies, which are Azerbaijani biscuits, which actually originated in Persia. And the name Kurabiye comes from the Arabic word for sweetness. So, let's get cooking! The first thing you need to do is preheat the oven to 200 degrees centigrade. That's gas mark 6, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 180 degrees if you have a fan oven. Into a bowl you need to measure 100 grams of butter and 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now I've just used icing sugar because I'm assuming that's what powdered sugar is, and 4 tablespoons is roughly 60 grams. And then you take your electric whisk and beat them together. Then comes the fun part. You need to make flower shapes of the dough using a piping bag. So I haven't actually got a piping bag, so I've improvised with a plastic bag and some greaseproof paper. Wish me luck. Here goes. When you've piped out the flowers, you need to add a little dollop of jam to each biscuit and then pop them in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Once they've cooked, take them out of the oven, let them cool, and then simply enjoy them.